Hi everybody, I thought we would have a look at this deluxe Lidl Christmas pudding, which I bought but didn't actually get round to using. We had one last year and it was absolutely beautiful. I do apologise for the bottom of the tripod, I still haven't got round to get myself another one. Let's have a look what's inside. Okay, I'm going to pull the wrapper off. You can steam it or you can microwave it, and I'm going to microwave it. Look at that. Hope you can see. It's a rich fruit pudding designed to serve for after you've had a Christmas dinner. But we're actually not having Christmas dinner. We are just going to have this with some white brandy sauce for lunch. So let's put this pudding to one side and get on with the brandy sauce. So we need 1 level tablespoon of sugar, 1 level tablespoon of corn flour, not custard powder. And then we're going to slake it, which is the term for mixing it, with a little bit of milk just to get it started. Now I'm only making half a pint because it's just the two of us. Just give that a microwave. Okay, so that has cooked and thickened, and now it's going to have a tablespoon of brandy put in it to make it into a brandy sauce. You can make yourself a whiskey sauce if you prefer, it doesn't really matter. It needs to be a good spoonful. Let's just stir that in, have a taste. Oh, lovely. Now the pudding needs microwaving for 3 minutes on a 750 watt microwave. But as ours is 1000, I'm going to do it for 2.5 minutes, and I'll bring you back when that's ready. That actually took just 2 minutes. I'm just going to cut around the edges just to loosen it off, and then plop it out into one bowl. Ooh, that is certainly ready. Now that is very rich, and it may well prove just a bit too much for each of us, but I think we'll be okay. Hubby likes it more than me, so he can have the main lot. Brandy sauce, a good stir. Scrape it out, I don't want to waste any. Bring you round for a bit better picture. There you have it. One steaming hot bowl of Christmas pudding with brandy sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye.